Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is EasyEda VC20023 and today I'm going to make a schematic diagram. Okay, to make this schematic diagram, we have to find the components. To find the components, we go to library and go to LCSC electronics and search for the category of the components you want. For me, it will be a resistor, carbon film resistor. Okay, so a way to find the components, we can just search at this resistor table to find to filter out the search we need, like this. Search 47. Alright, and then just scroll down to find the components that you need with this. Repeat this step for all of the resistor that is needed in the diagram. Once you find the components that you want, you could just place the component. Okay, this is the footprint of the components in the PCB later, so just place it anywhere for now, and then just go and search for another component. Repeat this for almost everything. Alright, to find the IC, you could just go to EasyEda and just search NE 555. You can just search the type of IC and it will automatically come out. Okay, so just pick this one, please. Okay, so for the other IC, also use the same step. Just search the name, and it will automatically find it for you. See, like this, and just place it anywhere. For the capacitor, open LCSC and search capacitor, and then here you could just pick any power you want. So for me, I would find 1 microfarad. It's already here, and just apply filter. And you could choose any capacitor here that is related to the one. You can find it here if you want. We also need a capacitor of 0.1 microfarad, but I can't find the 0.1 microfarad capacitor, so we just use the other capacitor, which is 100 nanofarad, because 100 nanofarad is the same as 0.1 microfarad. For the switch, I am using a toggle switch, so you could just search. I have searched this beforehand, so I could just copy the code. Okay, so we are using this toggle switch. So just place it at our diagram first. Okay, next we have to find diode. Okay, since the diode I'm using isn't the typical green and red diode, I'm using another color because I think I want to use another color. So you could just search diode and search for the color you want, like this. Diode, search blue. Diode, and um there's a lot of options. You could just find it, scroll down, use another number page like this. You see, this is the diode, like that. So just use this step. And finally, the last component would be the T block, or we could call it the terminal connector block. So for that, you could just search terminal connector block at this library, and it will come with many options. But since I already used this before, so I'm using the ones I use. So this is a screw terminal block. We're using this, and just place it anywhere. Okay, so this is all the component that we need. So now we have to rearrange it according to the figure that is given. So I will just skip this. Okay, now I have arranged the components according to the diagram. So now we just connect the components to each other by just clicking the leg of the components to each other, connecting it. Alright, okay. We have now finished our schematic diagram. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. I like to do it like this, very long, because you can see clearly the wire that is connected to each components like this. It's very complicated here, but yeah, still the same. You could just change the components name to make it simpler, because the name is quite long, so you could just change to toggle. See, switch toggle. This would be black, I think. This one will be white. Alright. So we finished the diagram. So now save the diagram, and then open at design, convert to PCB, and just say no, keep going. Just apply. Okay, this is the footprint of the diagram, you see. So we just move this a bit below so we could easily arrange the component, and you could arrange the component to any shape you want, any arrangement that you like. Alright, so I'll just do this. Okay, so now this is what I have arranged for my components to look like. Okay, so next we go to root, auto root, and local router server run. Okay, so it will be like this, and okay, so this is what it looks like after the auto router. Okay, so now we have to do a copper layer on the top layer. Just click at every end. Skip. It will be like this. So we have to do this to the bottom layer too. Okay, so it will be like this for the bottom layer, and this for the upper layer. Okay, so now we have finished. We could see the 3D diagram. Okay, the 3D, we just open this one, 3D. and then you see all the components. See, it's all placed. Okay, so actually this is finished, but I want to add text. So layer text my name. Always leave a watermark so that no one would steal your work. Line wise to height b5. Oh, 0.5. Okay, just place it here. So in the 3D, you can see designed by EasyEda VC20023. That's me. Yeah, we have finished our diagram. That's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.